Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you China school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.daischina.org. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Dalian American International School China. In this main page, a left corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option work with us. If you click this link work with us, you can get what are the teaching job opportunities for Dalian American International School. We hire great teacher and make them even better. So collaborative teacher-led professional development program, multiple in-house professional development opportunities, multiple PD opportunities, collaborative learning opportunities for the teachers, and teachers are celebrated for highly competitive salary package, medical coverage, savings potential, on-campus housing, tuition for dependent, summer flight. So these are the things once teacher get the job you can get. So what are the qualification for the teacher? So bachelor degree with an aggregated teacher certification, minimum 2 years of experience, full-time teaching experience, full proficiency in English language, experience in teaching English language learner is preferred. So what are the position available for 22-23 academic year? So elementary principal, high school social studies teacher, English teacher, English literature and composition teacher, general physics, biology teacher, music teacher, secondary instrumental music teacher, middle school art teacher, middle school humanities teacher, middle school science teacher, upper elementary teacher, lower elementary teacher, upper elementary teacher, DHS lower elementary teacher, elementary music teacher, elementary design teacher, EAL teacher, elementary library curriculum specialist, bilingual school elementary PE teacher, pre-KG teacher, elementary and secondary learning support teacher. So these are all the vacancies for academic year 22-23. So highlights of our competitive benefit package: salary range equivalent to $48,000 to $69,000. So medical and dental insurance, 100% of premium paid by school, round trip airfare from home country, furnished housing provided, relocation allowance, contract completion bonus. So these are the things are they are highlighting for competitive package for the teachers. So application information left corner available. Please see our vacancies. Click on the apply button for a full job description. Candidate can apply directly to the school by emailing at employment@daischina.net. However, preference is given to the teacher candidate registered with Scroll or other recruiting agency. So the evaluation of candidate ongoing and we will make offers as soon as we find the right person for a vacancy. For example, if you are interested for physics teacher, you can click this link apply. If you click this link, it will be redirected to the another page. So Dalian American International School seeking full-time physics teacher, teaching grade 9 to 12 for the academic year 22-23. The job is going to start August 15, 2022. The deadline of this application 17th December 2021. Minimum qualification bachelor degree. Cover letter is required. Minimum experience 2 years. So all the details available in the left corner. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instruction. So here they are given the job description, what are the required qualification, what are the desired experience, required qualification, bachelor degree and teacher certification, desired experiences, experience in teaching English language learners, experience standard based curriculum, teaching science to the next generation students, experience is the physics teacher. So initial contracts are 2 years. The benefit include competitive salary, furnished housing, round trip airfare, bonus and completion of 2 years contract, relocation allowance, healthcare and visa procurement support. So the housing is located on the campus in a pleasant gated community. So all the details are available here. Amenities include 2 gymnasium, 25-meter pool, all-weather sport field, fitness center, tennis court, dance studio, dog park, and other campus restaurant. The location of our campus situation in the Golden Pebble Beach National Resort area. So if you want more information, you can click this link www.daichina.org. So if you have any enquiries, you can contact via email employment@daischina.net. So how to apply? So job structure also they are given here. Position type teacher, curriculum advanced placement, science department. So if you click this link apply, you can get this application. So before submitting your application, first you have to register in the scroll. If you have login ID, you can sign in your account. Otherwise you can register your account. You can fill all the complete details of your profile. First one is your personal details. So one by one you can complete your personal detail, degree and registrations, then career, so positions out, the housing and visa, references. Here red color asterisks are mandatory, 3 more references required. So documentation, you can upload your document via this scroll application. First one you can upload your CV, then upload your supporting document and cover letter. Once you have created your profile, you can submit the job application form. Once you have created, it will be stored in the dashboard. So one by one you can complete your profile. Once you are completed, you can submit the job application form. So briefly describe and experience you have with the standard based curriculum. So English language learner and cover letter. Once you have filled all those things, you can submit your application via clicking the link. Once you are submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. Please note that only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Make sure before applying, please check all the detail. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instruction. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.